Today, I'm gonna be making slime in 7 seconds, 7 minutes, and 70 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, activator, die. Mix, 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 mix. All right, I think that was time. Is this considered slime? Oh, we do have a little bit of string action, but yeah, I would hesitate to say that this is considered a slime. This is what 7 seconds of mixing will do to some glue. This is not slime. I'd say that this is closer to our water slime than it is to actual slime, but let's just see what I can do in 7 minutes. 7 seconds was basically just glue, so for 7 minutes, we have a little bit more time. We're gonna actually pick out a theme using our spinny wheel. We have a bunch of themes on here. Some of my favorites are my mom, so wholesome. 90s, I look pretty 90s today. I am a 90s kid, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, Galaxy, that would be sick. McDonald's, Fortnite, you know what I'm saying? You know, like,
I'm just honestly impressed.
Hope we don't get anime, because I know nothing about anime. Let's give it a spin. Comment below what you think it's gonna be. This thing's really spinny. It's kind of taking a while. This thing's, okay. Minecraft, that's such a fun one. I think I have an idea. Start the timer now. Adding a little bit more activator this time, 3 full cups of it. I'm getting my workout in today. So we got Minecraft. I think of blocks and I think of textures. Gravel's kind of a boring texture if I'm being honest, but we could do sand without actually adding sand. We might actually make slime this time. Dan, come on, come with me. So we're gonna be adding some snow. So let's bring this giant bag of snow. So I'm gonna go with sand. We got this lemon yellow. I think if I add this and maybe just a little bit of brown, I'm getting this sienna color. I don't know what sienna is, but it's a color. We're gonna try to make sand. So I'm only gonna add 2 drops. We'll use the brown if we maybe need it, because I just don't want it to be super bright. So we'll add some yellow. It's actually gonna, funny enough, it's gonna be a lot harder to mix as it clumps up together. I got about 4.5 minutes left. You know what? It might be easier to use this. So this is our plastic sand. This is the type of stuff that gives our snow fizz a great fizz texture. We'll definitely have to add more, but I think I'm just gonna start with that. Normally, we use this our mixers, so not hand mixing, because hand mixing would be really tough. Whew. I'm genuinely out of breath. I'll be excited for 70 minutes because I think we'll be able to do something a lot better and we'll have more time, and I can have enough time to use that mixer. It looks oh so nice. It's borderline mocking me. I think we're gonna try to add just a little bit more snow. Maybe that will help. Now it looks like scrambled eggs. Dude, it's so exhausting. Oh, I think I'm happy that that's done. Here, I need a second to catch my breath. Now that I've had a minute to catch my breath, this slime doesn't look that bad, just looks severely underactivated, but considering we had 7 minutes, I'd say that we did a stellar job. It does look more like scrambled eggs than sand. However, we have like almost like poppy seed looking things, and if we went like, tell me that's not sand from Minecraft. Come on, that's pretty damn close. But let's move on to 70 minutes. Before we get started with the 70 minutes, I'm gonna have Anna pick the slime theme. Give it a good rip.
Woo!
Please do not be Fortnite.
Fortnite!
No!
Minecraft!
No, we already had Minecraft.
Christian's mom!
All right, that's just weird. Starbucks.
Starbucks? I don't know about that one.
Our 70 minutes begins now. We are gonna be using the mixer because I have 70 minutes. So we're pouring in all of our glue. So happy to not having to be mixing this. Listen, I'm trying to get jacked, but like not that jacked, you know what I'm saying? So we got all of that glue in there. I kind of want to go with like a pink drink vibe. I feel like that's more fun than just trying to go with like coffee. Plus, this slime's gonna be opaque anyways. It's not gonna be clear. We gotta pick out the right pink color, and I'm thinking rose pink. It's giving pink drink vibes. We're gonna add a bunch. Oh, Jesus, behave, Jesus. Gross. You know what, this is so nice? There's so much time. That's probably not enough, but we'll leave it with that. And then I'm gonna be getting our snow. I might be saying, whoa, why are you adding snow fizz into the thing? It's supposed to be a pink drink. Well, pink drink, from what I know, is a blended ice drink with pink stuff. This will actually give like a blended milkshakey look, because like, let's face it, the pink drink is basically just a milkshake. And let's pour in some snow. Is it winter? No, we're just at the Peachybbies warehouse making slime. We still got like 50 minutes. We got plenty of time for this thing to mix. So we're just gonna let that thing stir and get it to the perfect texture. I would say this is the most pink drinkiest slime we've ever made. We only had to mix for about 10 minutes or so, so we got plenty of time. So now I think it's just time to activate this thing to the perfect texture. We're gonna add, let's just say 5 cups of activator. It should be plenty. Now it's time for that thing to mix and be the perfect slime. The slime is finally done mixing and it came out perfect. This pink drink slime, low key, is popping off. It's basically just a snow fizz, but it really does kind of look like a pink drink. I'm really happy with how the color came out. You can kind of see it's a little opaque. It's got the stretch. So I have this big cup here and we're gonna make a big pink drink because why not? So we're gonna fill this thing up as much as we can. It really does look like just like a mixed drink, which is cool, but don't eat slime. So I have a surprise. Giant whipped cream. It is perfect. Add this on top. Look at that, that's whipped cream. And then we also have these really fun sprinkles I found. These were literally like my favorite ones that I could find. Just look how beautiful that color combo is. I mean, that is just gorgeous. So to stylize it, I got this water spray bottle and we're gonna spray some on. And what this does is it keeps the clay from drying out, and B, it's basically gonna be a glue for our sprinkles. So now when I sprinkle it on, it should actually stay on. Well, that is a lot. I'm taking a liberty. I know they don't technically do this. Do they put sprinkles on a pink drink? I'm not sure. I don't know. I say that is pretty dang awesome. Look at that. That is a pink drink, if I say so myself. We even have a few minutes left, so I'm gonna decorate the bin of slime as well. And I think I wanna do this one just a little bit different. I wanna use some thick and glossy and kind of do like a drizzle. I mean, I don't know, we barely got enough time for this, but I kind of just wanna get like all like Picasso with it. Like this, just kind of let it drizzle, give it the big old stretch. You know, get dirty with it. Just trust the process. I swear this is gonna look cool. I just need to do it like a few more times. I'd say that feels right. And the final touch is just throw in some little sprinkles. Oh my God, we only have 10 seconds. All right, that's it. Wow, we really got to the buzzer beater there. This looks so cool. This looks really satisfying. I really wanna push my hand in there, but I'm not going to. Our 70-minute Starbucks themed slime came out amazing. This is very much pink drink, and it definitely has slime qualities. We really nailed that one. Now 7 minutes, this, it's kind of slime, but not really. It's still like, this is basically glue. And our 7-second slime, well, this is just straight up glue. So let me know if you guys want me to do this challenge again in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.